In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up NordVPN on an Asus router so that all your devices at home can stay protected automatically. Before we begin, there's a link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price. It's fast, secure, and one of the easiest ways to protect your entire home network with just one connection. A VPN router works like a normal Wi-Fi router, but with VPN protection built in. Instead of installing a VPN app on every device individually, your router handles everything for you. The moment your laptop, phone, Android TV, or gaming console connects to your Wi-Fi, it's already protected. No extra installation, no separate setup, everything is secured automatically. To understand this better, think of a VPN as a secure tunnel between your device and a VPN server. Normally, each device needs its own VPN app to create that tunnel. But when the router connects to a VPN server directly, every device on your network uses that encrypted connection instantly. Even devices that don't support VPN apps, like smart TVs, cameras, or Xbox and PlayStation consoles. Setting up VPN on Asus routers is fairly simple. If you're using one of the newer Asus models introduced with the updated Asus WRT firmware, such as the Asus Zen Wi-Fi XT9, ROG Rapture GT-AXE, RT AX88U, RT AX86U, RT AX86S, or RT AXC7800, this guide is made for you. If you're using an older router, you can follow the older version of the setup tutorial, but for now, let's continue with the new firmware. To begin, open your browser and log into your Asus router control panel. In most cases, you can do this by typing 192.168.1.1 into the address bar. If that doesn't work, try 192.168.50.1. or simply enter router.asus.com or asusrouter.com. When the login window appears, enter your router username and password. On many Asus routers, the default username and password are both admin, unless you've already set custom credentials. Once you have access to the control panel, look at the left side menu and select VPN. At the top of the page, you'll see a tab named VPN Fusion. Click on that. Now choose Add Profile, or the small plus icon, and a new window will appear. Change the VPN type from PPTP to OpenVPN. You'll now see fields where you need to enter your connection information. For the connection name, you can choose any name you want. For the username and password, you must enter your NordVPN service credentials, not your regular Nord account login. To get these credentials, open your browser and log into your Nord account. Select NordVPN, scroll down to the section labeled Manual Setup, and click Service Credentials. Here, you'll see a special username and password that are required specifically for manual router configuration. Copy these and paste them into the router fields. Next, you need your NordVPN OpenVPN configuration file. Go back to your Nord account and again select NordVPN. Scroll to Advanced Settings and click Set up NordVPN manually. Click the Server Recommendation tab to let NordVPN suggest the best server based on your location. You can also open Advanced Filters to choose the server type or security protocol if you want something customized, like a specific country or performance profile. If you want to choose a server manually, select OpenVPN configuration files and either search or scroll to the server you want. Click Download UDP or Download TCP depending on your preference. After downloading the file, return to your router and click Import OVPN. Then select the file you just downloaded. Once the file is imported and your credentials are filled in, you need to decide which devices in your home will use the VPN connection. Look for the Device section and click the small pen icon in the top right corner. A list of devices on your network will appear. Select the devices you want to route through the VPN tunnel by ticking the checkboxes and clicking OK. Now press Apply and Enable to activate the VPN connection. Give the router a moment to establish the link. Once connected, you'll see your new IP address and security status displayed at the top of the NordVPN page inside the control panel. If it doesn't update instantly, refresh your browser tab, as some pages may load from cache. And that's how you set up NordVPN on your Asus router from start to finish. If you want to secure every device in your home with one VPN connection, use the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price.